Hey guys, welcome back. Amy here from Healthy Home Mama, and today I'm gonna help you organize your life as a mom and create this DIY planner with systems that work. If you're new here, my channel is all about healthy living, homemaking, productivity, and family life. So if you like that kind of thing, hit the link below to subscribe and stay notified whenever I come out with new videos. Okay, so first I'm gonna take you through step by step how you can create a planner just like this. And then I'm gonna walk you through exactly what is in my planner so that you can get ideas on what to include in your planner too. First, you'll need a mini binder, 5.5 by 8.5 blank sheets of paper, some of these tabs, these 5.5 by 8.5 pockets, and you can add in some stickers or tape and be as fancy or as simple as you want with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So the very first thing I have here is God time. And when we flip it open, very first thing I have is scripture memory. These are just the different scriptures that I come across that I want to remember. These are my favorites, and I will just write them whenever I come across them in the Bible here, and then I am able to take these and memorize them. Next, I have power tools. So these are different things that I want to work on, and I will just take Bible verses that pertain to that and then write those next to the different power tools that I have. Next, I have affirmations. These affirmations are helpful because they help me to remind myself of the truth of what God says about me and what His Word says about me. I write those down and then I just repeat those to myself. And then I have like the different prayers that I have through the years. I like to keep all of the prayers that I have prayed over the years still in here so that I can look back and see what were the big prayers I was praying for that year and how God answered those prayers. And then come my prayer tabs that are specific. I have a prayer tab for God, prayer tab for myself, and I do want to update these for Nathan, for our marriage, can't read that one, for our parents, and then for people in our life and for our children. And what I do with each of these prayer tabs is I just have some prayers wrote down that I can read through, truths about each thing, and then when I go further, here are some more just wrote down prayers. And when I get to my specific prayers, I have a checkbox next to them with the date that I prayed that prayer. And then whenever that prayer is answered, I will put a check mark, and then I will write the date that the prayer is answered, and I will write how that prayer was answered. I love to see this checkbox and see it checked and see the date that the prayer was answered and how God answered that prayer. It is so helpful for me to go back over those prayers and to see how God answered the prayer, and just give me hope for future prayers to be answered and excitement to see how God is going to answer future prayers. After all of my prayer tabs, I have my planner. And it starts off with my 2023 resolutions and goals. I have a lot this year. And then I have the ones from last year, and then it just goes straight into, I'm currently clear up here, but it goes straight into my weekly to-do list. And then on the back, I have my weekly meal plan. I did a video in how to create a to-do list, and I will link that video down below. And this pertains to the next one too. It also in that video explains how I do this kind of master cleaning schedule. So after my to-do list, I come over here and this tab is my cleaning schedule. And I have my like blog, Insta, and YouTube schedule that I'm trying to work on. And then the next section comes to the grocery list and meal planning. Really, there's not a grocery list in here. What I have in this, and I should retitle that, but what I have here is our lunch ideas, dinner ideas. These are just our favorites, and I try to have a really big list that I can pull from that I can then come back here and put into my meal plan for the week. I can just look really quickly at this list and see what I want to make, and then I'm not trying to think up of recipes, or I'm not getting stuck on the same ones all the time. Next, we're gonna come over here to these pockets, and I love these for different things that you can put inside, and you don't have to have all these loose papers. So I'll explain what these are. So the first one that we have here is finances, and in this pocket I like to keep my budget sheet, and then I have other things like checks that I've deposited, or other banking things, savings goals, things like that. And I like to use the Dave Ramsey $0 budget, and he has an app. You can use the app, you can print out, they have printable sheets that I used to do, but currently I just write it on a piece of paper and then I stick it in this pocket. And then we have mail. So anything that I get in the mail that I want to keep or need to do something with, I will put down into these sleeves. And then vacation. I write out what we're doing for the year for our vacations or trips, and then I can also use this pocket, you know, for anything that I might need to print out for those trips. And then we have kids stuff, and I use this for, you know, birthday party invites, or, you know, library things, anything that I want to keep of theirs for the moment, I slide down in here. Sometimes there's drawings or colorings or just different things like that. Then last section, daily life. I kind of need a better title for this because that's not really what is back here, but that's what I got going on right now. So first thing, I have YouTube ideas. First little section is all for ideas on YouTube, blogging, Instagram, that kind of thing. And then we come here to my tackle list. This is all the projects that I want to get done, things that I want to buy. I have a section on family traditions. Honestly, I started this last year. I don't know that I did much with it, but it could be helpful. And then selectivity, these are books that I want to read, recommended movies, positive projects that I want to work on. And then I further broke down my positive projects into sections. For example, I have natural cleaning products. These are the things that I wanted to switch over to natural cleaning projects. I don't remember when I got through all of those, but once I got all those switched over, I put check marks on those. And then we have my garden. So I have all the ones that all the things that I've already worked through with a check mark, and then what I have not without a check mark. Okay, that's it. That is how you can create your own DIY binder, organize your life as a mom, and create systems that actually work and support what you're doing. I love this thing. I hope this was really helpful for you. I hope you're able to create one of your own that supports what you're doing and has systems and tabs and things in it that are helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments if you found this video helpful, and if you will be creating your own planner, or if you already have a planner, let me know some of the things maybe that stuck out to you that you would want to include in your planner, or give me some more ideas on what else to put in this. So let me know down in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye.